In today's video, we will learn how to add duration and dates in Primavera P6 after creating or adding activities, and also we will learn about type of activities in Primavera P6. Viewers, we have created activities for our project Mabela Tower in Primavera P6. We have break down the project into substructure, superstructure, and in superstructure we break down into ground floor, first floor, and second floor. Now the next step is to assign the duration of each activity. Because for our first activity is excavation, so we have to put the duration of the activity in how many days we can complete this activity. Because how you know the duration of activity, it is depend upon the quantity and condition of the activity, and it is different for every project. For a project, excavation may be done in 4 days, and for other project, excavation may be done in 10 days. It's upon to the soil, onto the ground realities. So the duration must be clear and must be realistic. We should not put unrealistic duration because it will definitely affect your uh, project overall. So first of all, excavation. I have a project of my villa tower in which I can excavate. I can perform the activity of excavation in 10 days. So I put 10 here. After that, I have activity of compaction. I will put 2 days need for compaction. After that, I have activity of footing. It will take 12 days. Short column will take 15 days, and after that length beam length beam will take 16 days, and after that backfill will take 8 days. And there is a waterproofing activity. Waterproofing will take 2 days. So I have put duration for all activities in Primavera P6. Viewers, you should not worry about these dates. First, you have to put the duration of the activities, then you have to put your uh, start date of the project and end date of the project in Primavera. After that, you have to schedule the project, then Primavera itself give you the dates. You should not worry about these dates, and you should not disturb these dates. Primavera itself will give you the dates. Just you have to put your duration of the activities in accurate manner. After that, what you have to do, you have to just schedule it, and after that Primavera will give you dates. So before going to schedule, we have other activities. We should also give them duration. There is a column, it will take 2 days. Beam, it will take 12 days. Block masonry, it will take 4 days. Plaster will take 4 days. So I put activities here. Now same for the first floor. In first floor, column will take 2 days, 15 days, 4 days, 4 days. Now we'll put duration in second floor, 2 days, 12 days, 4 days, 4 days. Now I have assigned duration to all activities in my project. Now what I have to do, I have to check what date I have put this project. So let us go to the project. Our project is Mabela. Open it. Now go to general, and now it is better to open the project here, from here. It is better, and then you select your project Mabela Tower and go to general, and here is dates. This is very important. First of all, select your project, go to project tab, After that, select your project. Then in bottom tabs, go to dates, and here you have to put your dates, mean when you want to start your project, what is your plan, because first of all we plan the project, after that we track it, it is the next step, but on starting we have to plan, it's all going on. So Primavera is asking you project planned starts, mean when you want to start the project. So let us suppose we will give a date of 1st March. From 1st March we want to start the project and must finish by, mean when you want, what is the threshold, what is the deadline of your project, mean on this date you must finish. So you have to give the dates. I will give 31st August, last date of the project. So I selected here. Now my project is selected between 1st March to 31st August 2024. Now Primavera will make durations, make activities, make relationships in between these dates, and also calculate the total float, free float, and all allocate all resources in between these dates. Now what we have to do, after that given dates we have to open our project. Now our date has been assigned to these activities, we have also give the duration to activities. Now we want the exact dates of each activity, so just go to schedule. This is schedule. You can also press F9 or you can click here. When you will click here, a new tab will appear and you have to simply click here schedule. Now after scheduling you can see that your all dates are managed. You can see excavation start on 2 March. Why? But we have given the 1st March in our project, but it is started on 2nd March. What is the reason? Because on 1st March there is Friday, and we know that when we were creating calendar, we mark the Friday as a holiday. So 1st March coming on Friday, that is why Primavera directly start work from 2nd March. This is the quality of Primavera. So it will manage itself when you give the data. It will manage itself. So now it will start from 2 March to 12 March. For each activity you can look at this. But here's one thing that you will see, and maybe you will get confused. The excavation start on 2 March and ending on 12 March because it has 10 days to complete the activities. For compaction, it need 2 days. So Primavera is starting this activity from 2 March to 3 March. You can see that for every activity, Primavera is starting from 2 March. Why? It's mean Primavera is starting every activity from 2 March and after that adding the duration you have given and giving you the finish date, because but it is not correct and it is not possible that all activities are started on Monday, because we have just given the duration and after that we have given the start and end date of the project to Primavera. We didn't get give relation to Primavera. When we will give relations to Primavera, then Primavera will also manage these dates. And how we will give relation, I will tell you about a relationship in a next video. Thank you.